that is constant and change. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I stand before you to talk about how technology in our digital world could break cultural barriers. I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, that each day of our lives is a new beginning and a new perspective, new beliefs and new traditions to come. In this society, we are now in our modern era, wherein technology is everyone of us. It is part of our lives and our society and our beliefs also. People may wake up every day or every morning with technology in them, and that is one of the things we can use in getting or in breaking cultural barriers. I do believe that people nowadays more likely to judge or to be prejudiced with our thinking and beliefs. Not just because we don't like a specific culture or a specific person, but also because that's how we came from or where we came from. People might underestimate others just because of their background or where they came from, but we do not see what's in them. I do believe that each and every one of us has their own instincts and different beliefs, different cultures that make us unique. I do believe that each and every one of us shine brightly if everyone was given brighter or fair enough position or opinion. I do believe that here in our digital era, people will say or will say that I love this era. This is more advanced compared to the others, to the previous era. But let's talk about what it can do in breaking the cultural barriers. I do believe that once we use technology in the safest or in the easiest way, because that's what they said, everything is good but in moderation. I do believe that we could use technology in promoting this culture with each and every one of us, with our diverse beliefs, diverse cultures, and believing in each and every of us. We all wanted world peace, right? And I do believe that having world peace means having or breaking cultural barriers with each and every of us. We should respect and we should believe that in everything we believe on, that's what we came from. That's how others will know about us. Like what my professor or like what my son had said, everything with us is culture. And I do believe that once we love